Hey, Colleen from Posh Kitty here. I just wanted to take a few minutes and talk about the Good as Gold Skin Stick, which is our featured product. I love this thing. I got it in my first kit. When I first started, didn't know what it was, didn't know what it would do. Didn't have a lip balm. I use this lip balm. I use it on my nails. You can use it on your face. It has this really nice crisp appley almost smell to it, and I really love it. The Good as Gold Skin Stick. Gotta have it. Gotta try it. $13. For more information, you can click the link down below, go to my site, and order it. Anybody that orders this month is going to get a full-size product, a surprise, for free. $25 or more order, please. Thank you. Have a good day.